How to earn $100 PayPal money over and over again. That's what we'll be taking a look at in this video today, folks. We'll be taking a look at what you need to get started, how does it work, how often can you do this, how much money will you make and how much will you be paid, where do you get started, reviews of this method, and a special bonus, how to make thousands of dollars online. So you definitely want to stick around for that as well, folks. So let's get into this. So what do you need to get started? You're going to need a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies. You're going to be doing studies with this. They're not surveys, they're studies, and I'll explain more in a second here. You must have Google Chrome if you're going to be using the web browser. There's a Chrome extension that you install on your computer that records your voice and your screen. It doesn't record your face, don't worry, just your voice and your screen, because you can get verbal feedback on certain things, so web apps and applications and stuff like that. You need a high-speed internet connection. You must be at least 18 years old. You must have the ability to communicate in English, and you must have a PayPal account. So how does this work? You make money for every test you take. You'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts aloud, and answer questions regarding a website or app. You're going to sign up. You'll be asked to provide specific demographic information such as age, all that kind of stuff, what you do for a living, hobbies, whatever. And then you'll be getting emails offering you money for feedback on websites and apps. You'll be paid for every test you successfully complete thanks to the feedback. Companies such as Google, Amazon, Uber, Microsoft, all these other ones you see here and a bunch more are paying people to review things and give their verbal feedback, like I said, and record their screen as they're using it. So you can be speaking your thoughts out loud to do these studies or these tests, as they call them. How often are new tests available? Tests are available daily. Now, this all comes down to your demographic and things like that. So put the right information in it, you can get the right tests. How much money will you make and how will you be paid? Payments are based on the tests. However, many of the studies pay in the $100 range for a live remote recording session, research session, as it says. But you will be recording your screen either on your iOS device, Android device, or website or web browser. All payments are processed through PayPal within 7 days of completing your tests. So where can you sign up for this? Well, you're going to want to come to validately.com here, and their homepage here is for the companies that are looking for feedback and the ones paying for the tests. So you're going to want to come to this part right here where it says get paid to test. You click on that link and you can sign up right here, start making money today. And we went over all this stuff here. How does it work? Some frequent asked questions. You can read more. There's other frequent asked questions down here as well. And you just sign up right here, start making money today. You fill out your information, create an account and so on, and you're good to go. Let's take a look at some of the reviews. This is on the Apple Store here. This app has a 4.5 out of 5, so that's really good. It's one of the highest ones I've seen on a lot of these different apps. Validately on the Google Play Store, 3.4 out of 5. Not as good as the Apple one, but there's still some good reviews here. Most of them are 5 reviews, as you can see. And then there's the Google Chrome Store, where we have 20-some thousand users, and we got some really good feedback on this one as well. Most of these are 5 stars. So you can check these out as well. But the best thing to do is just sign up and get going. So for my bonus here, where you can make thousands of dollars online, this is my #1 recommendation, a top link in the video description below. And I'm going to talk about this briefly here. You can check it out. You get a free membership. You get free training, free websites you can build. And it's a really cool platform. There's thousands of people in here that can help you out. In fact, there's 1.5 million users total. But, obviously you're not going to connect with all of them, but you can network with these people. And these are just some successful that is happening right here. $12,000 for Christmas 2019. Awesome. $1,345 in a month. A joint venture, a Christmas website, and $550 in sales. Did you paid on the first? Website sold $40,000. So this is a platform here where it's called Wealthy Affiliate. It's my #1 recommendation. And you get a free membership, completely free, of this huge network of affiliate marketers and stuff, and they're going to teach you how to make money online. There's training here. You could get 2 free websites. There's live events. There's research tools. There's affiliate programs you can search and find something in your niche that you're promoting, that you want to promote. Like again, the community here. There's all kind of stuff. 1 year at Wealthy Affiliate, love it, yay. And there's, different things like that you could read. These are very inspirational, and you could communicate with all these different people. Like I said, my blog post got ranked #1 on Google. how Pinterest boosts traffic to 2,000 visitors in one day. So you can read all this stuff, and it's very helpful. And there's so much in here. I can't obviously talk about this too much in this video here because I'm going to try to keep this short. But there's a lot of really cool stuff. And these guys are going to teach you how to build a business from the ground up. And you could be making thousands of dollars. It takes time. It's not a get-rich scheme. You know, it's not going to happen in a week or a month or whatever. But once you get going, you're going to get going, and you're going to start making more money. And like I said, you're going to learn from all these successful people here. And again, you don't even need a credit card to sign up. You just sign right up and you're good to go. So check that out, folks. It's the top link in the video description below. Check out Validately. Also, subscribe to the channel. I have hundreds of other videos about making money online. Check those out as well. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.